Nobody like moving. When you have pocketed your clothes, the box or bags, and moved them all in a new house on a new street. Moving to a new city is very difficult. You need to figure out how to move efficiently and how to quickly get things ready at the new place. But if you are a streamer, then you need even more preparation for the move. Big move. Qoqsik. Before the trip, I bought an ND filter for the camera and a camera holder for the window. Unfortunately, I could not use a camera holder because of weather conditions. But ND filter is great. It's a help out bright daylights. I bought Rode Wireless for phone or for camera, and I use that a lot, like a DJI stabilizer here. I pocketed all my things and loaded everything into the car in about 9 hours. After that, we stopped at a car service to have a mechanic check the van to be sure that we would get there without any problems. I stayed overnight in 2 cities, Perm and Shara. I traveled around all of the other cities using bypass roads and highways. The most interesting road was waiting for us about halfway there. For 200 or 300 kilometers, there was no real road as such, just dirt. Only timber and Russian commerce trucks were moving towards their destination at a very low speed. Abandoned houses everywhere, and dead Russian villages. After 150 kilometers of this road, we had a flat tire from yet another pothole. The damaged tire was very hard, and it was quite difficult to remove. We had to beat it well. As we approached St. Petersburg, we noticed a very strange car. This car moving correctly, then slowing down, and constantly swerving into the line of oncoming traffic. I called the police. However, after having driven another 80 kilometers behind him, the police never responded to the call. For the entire journey, we used about 240 liters of diesel fuel, and it cost about $158. 0 rubles were spent on toll roads. $30 was spent on hotels or overnight stays. We covered 2,400 kilometers through 43 towns and cities. The time zone changed once, and the weather changed by 7 degrees. Upon arrival, I lived in Balina's apartment, and we were looking for a new house for several days. It's St. Petersburg. That's so smelly. Smells like shit, to be honest, but it's okay, it's not a village. Oi, we lost. Well, the first step, that's go to the shop for food for Mia. Food for a week. It smells like cat. I just woke up. Feeling so nice. Go to the shop. I will buy some pushki. It's like very tasty Russian stuff. Then I will check a house because our house not answer for us, the stupid bitches. And Hi Dana, this is a reading store. Here. I am ready. Kawaii. This is pushki.
I bought some fishki. It's very tasty. I'm gonna show you that how this looks in the packages. Very tasty. Look at this. Some very cute stuff. I'm happy.
We went to a Georgian cafe and I tried hachapuri for the first time.
Мама нравится тоже. Ладоши, любите Максима и Лёши. Дома Калашникова, так и ебоши. Пустик в пусту, забыла бич, как сигнализация. Кругом соседи, галимая провокация.
Today I will go to check the new apartment where we will live, I hope. It's all. And so, we found our new house and moved into it. Now I will show you my room and welcome in my future room, my little cute streaming room, and not only streaming, live room. Let's go. This is my room. Here I have a bed. Oh, this bed I will ask to take off from this room because it's not too much place. I have too much stuff here. Too much stuff. I have my tripod, lamps, a lot of stuff, and it's all my life. I really want to start to make that. Make my PC, make my table, and well, now I think I will show you how I will do everything. And I will try to do like sounds because it's so interesting, and ASMR, like ASMR. Oh, we do ASMR. Well, my dear, let's go start. Somebody just told me.
I'm so tired. But look at my bitches. Dun, 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 dun.
I spent too much hours, maybe 9, for making that all here. And I want to tell you one very important stuff. Sounds here is very bad because here no bed, no shelves, no other stuff. You can hear that. I will fix that a little bit later. I will buy acoustic panels or maybe some carpet or something like that. And this room will be the best room ever. And I really miss you. I can't wait to start my stream and show for everybody my new room, my new stuff, my old stuff, but a new room that's like new stuff. Well, you will see my decoration, you will see my stuff a little bit later on my stream. I think in 10 minutes I will already start my stream. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. I'm so happy that I did that. That was the first time when I did something for a long time, film something. Thank you so much for watching. First like, write a comment, subscribe on my channel, and if you want to talk, you can come to me on my Twitch channel. I will be glad to see you. Bye!